Hey, welcome to another week of CSONS at home. Start with the starters. We have got some pickled jocanta plums, some Perl blue cheese, some speckled lentils, some pine nuts and seeds, some pickled chilies, and some microgreens. So, just open all my packets up so I'm ready to go. Make it easy. I'll empty them into there. So, first thing, I'm just going to mix the lentils together. There's some garlic and parsley and some vinaigrette on there. And then, kind of spread them in a bit of a line. Maybe dot them about a little bit. Okay, next up I'm going to get my plums, just the plums for now. Save the sauce for later. Bit of an Asian vibe going on with the plums. Lots of star anise and clove and cinnamon in there. Okay, then I'm going to get my cheese. Maybe I'll just lean my cheeses up against the plums so we can see it all. Take my microgreens. And maybe just, I don't know, plop them in the middle. And then my pickled juice. So I sprinkle that around. And then I'm a big fan of blue cheese and chilli, so I'm just going to put some of these little pickled chilies around. And then finally on pine nuts and seeds.